Star Ledger Munchmobile hits the road. Today's mission, down the shore.
Riding in the Munchmobile.
I would like to use the term my fellow muncher coined as I am a shore virgin. I've gone to the shore maybe once in my childhood, and other than Atlantic City Boardwalk, more inside than out.
I like the salt air, and just as soon as I get down there, I get hungry.
I grew up going to La Valette and LBI for a while, Point Pleasant when I was older. Waffles and ice cream is high up there. Raw clams, steamers.
A lot of good memories of going down to the shore and with my family down Long Beach Island and then like the Belmore area in my college days. Of course, there's a lot of good food in between.